choosing your next car has never been more exciting or more challenging. With the rise of cutting-edge electric vehicles competing against the tried-and-true reliability of gas-powered cars, the decision isn't just about transportation, it's about embracing the future or sticking with the familiar. So which one is right for you? Before you make up your mind, let's take a test drive. Passing through performance, style, comfort, maintenance, long-distance drive, and the most important, the price. In today's car market, the battle between gas-powered and electric vehicles, or EVs, is shaping the future of transportation. On one side, you've got the legacy of gas-powered cars, powerful, reliable, and convenient. On the other, the electric revolution is sweeping through the industry, promising efficiency, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology. But here's the truth, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Your decision will depend on your lifestyle, driving habits, and what you value most. So let's compare the two giants head-to-head, starting with the familiar, proven, and tested gas-powered cars, the veterans of the road. Their biggest advantage? Affordability. The average price of a gas-powered vehicle is around $19,000 cheaper than your typical EV. That's money that could go toward upgrades, a vacation, or just saving for a rainy day. Then there's convenience. Gas stations are everywhere, and I'm not exaggerating over here. Even on roads where you think no one passes by, making long-distance travel a breeze. Refueling only takes a few minutes, not hours wasted waiting, so road trips is a no problemo. And longevity? These cars have stood the test of time, proving their reliability in extreme climates and remote areas where charging stations are scarce. But they're not perfect. Gas-powered cars come with higher fuel costs, frequent maintenance needs, and a larger carbon footprint. If you're looking to cut costs or reduce your environmental impact, they might not be the best fit. Now, onto the not-so-new kid on the block, electric vehicles. Electric vehicles are shaking up the game with their cutting-edge technology and cost efficiency. Over 10 years, you could save an estimated $15,000 on fuel and another $8,000 on maintenance. Why? Because EVs don't need oil changes, spark plug replacements, or as many mechanical repairs as gas-powered or any fuel-powered cars do. The driving experience is another level. Instant torque gives you rapid acceleration, while the quiet ride and smooth handling make it feel like you're gliding on the road. But like gas cars, EVs aren't without challenges. Their high upfront cost, averaging around $68,000, can be a deal breaker. And then there's range anxiety. Most EVs max out at 250 miles per charge, and that can drop by 20 to 30% in extreme weather, especially on extreme snowy days. Be careful, Alaska. Unlike gas-powered vehicles, EVs cannot rely on its non-existing engines to heat the car's cabin. Then there's the charging infrastructure that is improving, but is still limited in many areas. Unless you've got a home charger, recharging an EV can be inconvenient and time-consuming. Now, if you're torn between the two, hybrids might just be your sweet spot. They combine a gas engine with an electric motor, offering better fuel efficiency without the need for charging. With competitive pricing and lower emissions, hybrids like the Toyota Prius are practical and reliable for a wide audience that may lead to potential transactions. But if you're not someone who wants to compromise, then it's best to just stick with getting overwhelmed. Let's look at the bigger picture for a moment. Sustainability is a major factor in this debate. Electric vehicles have no tailpipe emissions, but their production, especially the mining of battery materials, does come with environmental costs. Gas-powered cars, on the other hand, may not need to mine their batteries, but they do have higher emissions throughout their lifespan. And when it comes to total ownership costs, EVs may save you money in the long run, but their high depreciation rates and upfront price can't be ignored. Gas-powered cars remain more budget-friendly upfront, while hybrids strike a balance between the two. At the end of the day, the choice is yours. Whether you're drawn to the affordability and convenience of gas-powered cars, the innovation and efficiency of EVs, or the balanced practicality of hybrids, each option has something unique to offer. So what will it be? A roaring engine, a whisper-quiet ride, or something in between? The ride of your future is in your hands. Thanks for tuning in to the Car Vaults, unlocking the world of cars one vault at a time. See you on the next ride.